Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited today because I am going to be doing an unboxing of my Louis Vuitton NeoNoe. So I went down to Somerset, that's in Michigan. So yeah, I drove up there, and once I got up there, the lines were stupid. So I said pretty much this trip is going to be a one store only, but you know, I pretty much wanted to go for what I was going for anyway, which was this. So I stood in about an hour line for Louis Vuitton inside of Saks. And I got inside and they were so nice to me. You just got to make sure you wear your face mask and put on some hand sanitizer when you come through the door. But I already had put it on hold because I decided I was going to put it on a credit card so I wouldn't take such a big hit. So I end up, because you know, you really shouldn't be buying a Louis in these times anyway. The only reason I felt like I needed a purse is because I've been carrying this Michael Kors for a while now, and she has had it. Like, my bunny bit the straps. Look at this. My bunny bit this, and I cannot really keep walking around with this. I have a bigger one as well, but I just needed something new. This is my third Louis. I had the tweed one. I still have the tweed one. I should show it to you. But I had the tweed one, and I had another one. I'm gonna try to show you a picture because I can't find it. It ended up getting I had it over like 10 years, so it had it. I probably ended up giving it away, or I don't know what I did with it, but I still have the tweed one. Yeah, this one. I think this was my second one, and then I had the other one before that, this one. But I might need to bring this one back out. Isn't that cute? I just keep it in my closet because I think it's so cute. But this was my second. I had the regular basic bag as an everyday bag, and then I had this for a more little fancier look. This was my second one. But you know, it's been a long time since I had a Louis. These are like over 10 years old. So, and then I've been carrying this one around, and then I have another Michael Kors that I like a lot. This one. So I've been carrying those two for a while now. So I thought it was time for an upgrade, and here I am with the NeoNoe. I hope I pronounced it right. But this one retails for $17.80. And that was a pretty penny. So, but she's so beautiful. So they gift wrapped it for me in the back, which was nice because it is a present to myself. With the cute little bow. I'm so happy to open it so I can finally start using it. Now she's $17.80, but I guess last year she was $1,500 maybe. So I guess they have a price increase every year, which is crazy, but I guess that's just what Louis Vuitton does. And then I guess with COVID, it makes it even worse. So yeah, but here she is. So she comes in this dust bag, and the lady gave me some care tips, which I'll share with you. She's so cute. You guys, I am so in love. Now I got her in, I haven't seen her, it's been 2 days. But I decided, first I was going to get the caramel details. This was caramel. But for some reason in person, I felt like the caramel just kind of got washed out with the bag. And when I seen it in black, it just popped. So I just love it with black. It's just so beautiful. Yeah, so this is the monogram. It has the drawstring. It's a shoulder bag. And you can adjust this to make it into a crossbody. So you could take this apart. Uh-oh. And then I can bring it up top, snap it up here, and then turn it into a crossbody. But I think, I think I'll probably just wear it as a handbag on my shoulder, as a shoulder bag, because I think I like that better. But I think I'll do both actually. But you can also buy a strap that hooks onto here and just make it into a, I guess you'll call it an arm bag. A couple other colors I saw this come in was red, caramel, and then I even seen like a pink purplish color. So, but isn't she beautiful, guys? Like I just am in love. And then it has the little, if you can see, little Louis V written on there. Oh, and then it says it's made in Italy. Oh, so this one was made in Italy. So that's good to know. Now, I went out there with my friend and my cousin. Can you guys believe that my friend and me got the same bag? But, oh well. But we both fell in love with them, I guess. But it is a beautiful bag. Now, I'll show you the inside. Pull these down. So, it goes pretty deep down in there. And then they have this little inside, like wallet, I guess you would call it, or little storage. And that storage, it goes pretty deep too. So, you know, you could put your phone, lip gloss, I guess, in there. You know, I'm thinking about getting some purse organizers. And then that way I won't just be throwing everything in there. It'll be a little more organized. So I might do that. I got this off Instagram, this little case, but I'll probably put my phone down in there. My planner, that go in there. So I'm going to be busy today switching over from the Michael Kors to this. I'm so excited. So I'll give you guys some care tips that she shared with me. Now, you know how everyone is using hand sanitizer right now. You do not want to touch your hands with the hand sanitizer on your hands. You want to be very careful because alcohol can ruin this. Anything with alcohol can ruin this, even perfume. So you want to be very careful. So you know what we're going through right now. This is not a good time to be careless. She said you can just wipe this off with baby wipes or a little dish soap and water. If it gets wet, it's fine. You just want to wipe it off as soon as possible so it doesn't sit on there, the water. And when you're not using it, you want to store it in the dust bag. I'll give you guys some close-up shots so you can see it better. This is like a suede interior. Now, if you have any problems with it, I almost guarantee you could take it back to the store. They do honor their bags. I'm sorry, y'all. My lighting is doing what it wants to do. But I'm going to have to do a what's in my bag later on, so stay tuned for that. But I love the bag. I'm going to be switching over today from the Michael Kors into this. So that's what I'll be doing. And, yeah. This is her. I love her. Yep, so I'll probably be buying that strap to go here so I can wear it. I'll just put this down. I'll wear it like that and then have the strap over here and just kind of wear it as a arm, wrist, I don't know what you would call it, wrist bag. And when I go out with my friend, we'll have the same bag. But oh well. Who cares? It's a classic bag, so I don't really care that much. But I really like it. I think it's beautiful and I just can't wait to wear it and just, you know, enjoy the luxury of the Louis Vuitton. So it's been a while since I had one that I really carried. So if you have any questions, let me know. Any comments, let me know your experience with this bag or any other bag. If you have a different color, let me know. So later I'll do a what's in my bag when I finally get this switched over. I probably will get those dividers or purse organizers. I'll let you know how those turn out as well, probably in my what's in my bag video. And I'll probably do a update as well of carrying it for however long, 6 months. If you do have any problems with your bag, they say that you can bring it back. You have 30 days. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell for notifications. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to check out my next video when I do a what's in my bag. So make sure you check that out. Right now, what's in my bag, a planner and a phone. But later on, you know, I'll be adding to it. So I'll probably inspect the bag really well and see if I see anything that, because this isn't cheap, honey. But I don't really see anything now, but I'm gonna take a better look. Oh, and keep watching so I can show you what it looks like on.